Hello everyone, let's start solving today's Lead Code daily challenge question. So the question is minimum operations to exceed threshold value 2. So you are given an zero indexed integer array nums and integer k. In one operation, you will take the two smallest integers x and y in nums, remove x and y from nums, add minimum of x and y into 2 plus max of x and y anywhere in the array. And note that you can only apply the described operation if nums contains at least two elements. Okay, this is one condition. If the size, okay, the first thing is if nums dot length is greater than or equal to 2, then only we will apply the condition. What we will remove x and y, which are the smallest element in the array, and place min of minimum of x and y into 2 plus max of x and y, and then we have to return minimum number of operations needed so that all elements of array are greater than or equal to k. So we have to make all elements of array greater than or equal to k. So k is given. Till that time we have to do this. Okay, so this is a straightforward question given that we have to, like, we don't have to add our logic that which two elements we have to consider x and y and do the operation. Instead, here it is already uh, given here it is already given that these two elements x and y, these are the two smallest integers. Okay, so in the array at that current point of time, what are the two smallest array elements? We will consider that and do the operation and add the result in that, and then next time again we will check if our elements has two elements. Okay, minimum two elements, and then again we will check if if the elements have greater than k, number greater than k. Okay, so for that what we will use a minimum heap. Okay, so min heap. Why min heap? Min heap contains what? All the minimum, like, min heap. Min heap, we will be using min heap. So in min heap, what is there? For example, if we take uh, let's take, we have element here 10, and then we have 20, then we have 15, then we have 40, we have 50, we have 30, we have 35. So this is consider this is a min heap. That means the current node has greater value than its child node. That means parent node has a smaller value. Sorry, the parent node has smaller value than its child node. So here you can see 10 is smaller than 20 and 15, 20 is smaller than 40 and 50, 15 is smaller than 30 and 35. So if we have this array, then every time we can remove this smaller element and the next smaller element. It can be either here or here. Then we have to do, like, it will again we don't really need to implement the heap from scratch. We can directly make use of a priority queue, which is implemented min heap by default. Okay, so if we get two elements from the from the top of the min heap, then these are the minimum numbers from our array. Okay, and if we remove this 10, let's say if I remove 10, this 15 and 20, which is smaller, this 15 will come here now. Then again, if 15 came here again, which is smaller than this 2 is 30. So 30, like that it will do. Okay, so if I remove this element, it will check, or you can say, if you want a detailed video, please let me know in the comment section. I will explain. So this video is for the explaining the question, and in short, I explain the min heapify we are going to use uh, from that top two elements, which will be our x and y, where our x will be less than y anyway. Okay, in the min heap. So for this, what we are going to use, we are going to use the priority queue. Okay, now that's it. And let's code priority queue of long. We will use long because we are going to do this operation. And what is our range of nums? Okay, our range is 10 is to 9, so we will better use long priority queue, or instead I'll write min heap is equal to new priority queue. Now we have to add this, right, in priority queue all the elements. Int num from nums min heap dot offer. So here we will use offer. We have to cast it into long of what, this num. Okay, so we have added, or let's say like this, yeah, min heap long. So we have added. Now what is our first condition is the length should be greater than 0. So min heap dot size, it should be greater than or equal to 2. Then only we will do the following. If my min heap dot peak, okay, if it is uh, if it is greater than or equal to k, that means we got our answer. So we will use one count, int count, which is initially 0. Okay, so we will return this count. Okay, now if all the peak means peak is the smallest element, if our smallest element is greater than k, then all elements are greater than k. And what exactly we have to do is we have to do return minimum number of operation needed so that all elements of a k arrays are greater than or equal to k. Now it is smaller, that means count plus plus, and we will take int x is equal to min heap dot pool, int y is equal to min heap dot pool. Now what we have to do, min heap dot offer x into 2 plus y, and then we'll return our count anyway. So let's run this. Here we got first two smallest element. Okay, it is giving us, yeah, we are using long, so we will use long here. Yeah, you can say accepted. Let's submit this solution. So we are using the priority queue to implement a heap. Okay, you can see our solution got accepted. If you want a detailed video on min heap max heap, not the priority queue, I can explain in detail, like implementation, uh, like how to if you insert, where it will be inserted, and how the tree how that heap will be constructed again. If you remove the first element, how, like, if you remove the first element, if if the last element is copied and placed at first, and then do the reconstruction or like that, or anything. If you want to know, please let me, like, if you want to learn, please let me know in the comment section. I will create a detailed video on heap. Okay, so min heap, max heap, and also priority queue if you want. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated. Thank you.